In this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle triangle pattern. We can see here in the first line we have 5 star space character. In the second line we have 2 space character appended with 4 star space character. In the third line we have 4 space character appended with 3 star space character. In the fourth line we have 6 space character appended with 2 star space character. In the fifth line we have 8 space character appended with 1 star space character. Along with every star there is a space character, and here we have combined 2 space character. We can see here the number of space characters are increasing from 0 to 4 line by line, and we can see number of star space characters are decreasing from 5 to 1 line by line. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than number of lines, that is 5. At the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. Here our I value will be 0 at the first iteration, 1 for the second iteration, and 2 and 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration our I value will be 5. 5 less than 5, condition false, and our while loop execution will stop here. Let's print the pattern. Here in the first line we don't have any space character appended with 5 star space character. In the second line we have single space character appended with 4 star space character. In the third line we have 2 space character appended with 3 star space character. In the fourth line we have 3 space character appended with 2 star space character. In the fifth line we have 4 space character appended with single star space character. Remember, here we can combine 2 space character here, or we can take a value and multiply that value by 2. So we need one more variable here, j. Initialize it with 5. Here our logic will be single space character. We need 0 time here, so I value is 0 multiplied by 2. It will increase by 2. Here I value is 0, which is going to print 0 value. Then I value is going to increase by 1 into 2, which is going to print 2 space character, then 4, then 6 and 8 appended with. In the first line there are 5 star space character. We can take j value which is 5, and in the end of iteration we need to reduce j value by 1. So our j value will be 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment these lines and run pytriangle.py file. This is our expected triangle pattern. We can use for loop in place of while loop. We can use any other character in place of star, and there are various other methods to execute this code. In the next video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle triangle pattern.